And here you can see the inspecting party meeting the Sword of Honour winner.
Also joining the inspection party, as you can see, is the Academy Sergeant Major. So he will keep a keen eye on the troops as they're marching past, and he'll have a chance for the senior under officer and the inspecting officer, the sovereign's representative, to have a few words with a number of the senior division officer cadets that are commissioned today.
I think it's a good point now, Carl, where we mention the band. The band on parade today is the British Army Band Catterick. They're based in Catterick Garrison, and they're one of 3 regular Army brass bands. The band was formed in 2019, bringing together musicians from the Corps of the Royal Armoured Corps, the King's Division, the Corps of Royal Electrical and Mechanical Engineers. The Director of Music is Captain Matt Simmons, who joined the Army in 1999. He's supported also by a wealth of experience, Bandmaster Staff Sergeant Chris Brown, who has served for 32 years, and Warrant Officer Class 2, Alistair Smith, who served for 29 years. So just with them 3, we've got 80 years experience of military music on parade, and what a fine job they're going to do.
And Kirsty, you can almost imagine what's going through the Commandant's mind there as he was on parade himself 37 years ago, and being his last day in uniform, he's absolutely relishing the opportunity. He did a Commandant's parade on Wednesday where he addressed the whole college